morning, students. Today we are going to see pattern searching process. Pattern searching process uh, is a process of identifying granted pattern and published pattern application. Okay. Once we want to register our pattern, first we have to check whether these pattern already registered or not. Otherwise, it's already published or not. Okay, that bears similarly to the subject matter which is of interest on you. The pattern search is most often the first step in achieving different objectives. Some of I would like to discuss. Determining the probability of having a pattern granted to the proposed invention. Determining if you have a freedom to operate. Okay, next one, determining if the granted pattern can be invalid, whether it is registered and the time is over or validity checking. Clear. Based on the objective, the search strategy can be varied to some extent. Also, in addition, conducting a search in pattern database, a search can be conducted to identify relevant non-pattern literatures. In this article, however, we will be talking about carrying out the search to identify relevant pattern documents using free online pattern database, all these things. Okay, sometimes paid database and substantial value, added substantial value. Free online pattern database are first one Google and SpaceNet and free patent online. So these things has to be helpful for searching our patent databases. Okay, this is Google patent work best on Chrome and has a good search interface. We can type and we can get it from the information whether it is registered or not. ESPSnet good data coverage. What are the data which is available? It will tell. Free patent online. It's a good interface actually. Patent coverage is not good as in ESPS. ESPSnet somewhat not giving clear idea about it. Using of the any above mentioned search database, you can search various patent which is available, whether it is going to be a relevant patent to our publication, our patent, everything you can find it. Okay, what are the top 5 patent searching strategies? First one, key string search, pattern classification search, citation based on search, assignee based on search, inventor based on search. Key string, some word we will use to give, and because from that word we will be searching any pattern which is available or not. Okay, and pattern classification, it comes under which area? Okay, it's going to be a pattern classification. Citation in the sense some other website like forums. From the forums we can search. Okay, assignee based, who is done, okay, who is assigned, from that person itself or anybody using that patent, from that we can use it. Inventor based is the name of the inventor, any person we can put the name, whether what are the patent they are they have a holding a patent, right, any which inventor product they are having. So in such a way we have to search the patent. Okay, it's very easy. Key string in the activity querying a pattern. The database using the key string that formed using keywords. I told you know step-by-step process of carrying out the string search provided below. So identify one word. From that word you will put some you are searching means the idea will come. Otherwise you can put the meaning, same meaning or identical meaning or synonyms of that word. Then you can find the steps. Okay, combines denomination of word are also using or operator. Okay, so all this information which we are given, automatically it will list out the pattern, what are the names it is registered, how it is relevant, everything it will come. Depends upon that we can register our pattern. Clear. And next one what they are saying, note that the database some of the allow, you have to define which one we want to register. Okay, what are the written documents we have to give, everything. Okay, further, if the time is constrained, if you can start with a narrow search query. In the title of the product, the title of the project, that and all if you are giving, so that information also going to be provided. Okay, remember the keyword search is very have a very trick. So most often the successful keyword searching depends on the exhausting of the keywords. Okay, which is used. So if we are, for example, I am giving, if you are inquire about pen, So sometimes its abbreviation also going to be given. So in such a case, you have to go with a deep search. Okay, classification search in the sense hierarchical system which is technological has been classified. Okay. Each pattern applications to be assigned more classes. Sometimes it comes under food category or invention category or manufacturing category or designing category. Like all the classifications will be there. Depends upon the classification we are going to search. If we are inventing any patent, want to get a patent in the particular area like any designing circuit, we have to find out that class, designing circuit class. In that, whether the patent already existing or not, or any publication had done by anybody else, like that we have to search. After that, we can go for the registration. There are several ways of identifying relevant IPC codes. So that are all. Browsing through hierarchical IPC system, note down the IPC system. So many various classes is there. From that class, we can catch the words. Okay. Then using the relevant and related pattern reference, which we are having a key search system we are having, no, in that also we can proceed. Citation based is referred to the prior technology, and the reference can be cited in the patent. Okay, some site, particular sites will be there. Like for example, department wise, it is electrical means electrical type of citations will be there. For example, I will say human resource citation in the sense any patent which is registered in human resource or marketing means separate marketing. If you are going to search in the citation, it will give more the information about the existing pattern. Assignee based in the sense extract list of assignee and application will be there. From that application or assignee, anybody register or not, what are the topic, which class they are registered, everything we can find out. From that document application, we can get the information too. Okay, inventor based in the sense name of the person, inventor. So put some names. For example, Thomas Alva Edison. So Edison, in the sense, he invented so many things. Whether everything have a patent or not, everything we have to find out from that invention. It's very easy thing because very less inventor will be there, na. So what are the invention they done? Whether the invention patent already existing or not, or it has to be renewed or expiry date, everything it will be coming in the inventor based search. Thank you. We'll see the meet in the next class.